Illustration. Two persons having mass 50 kg each. Let there are two persons. Their mass 50 kg each. Are standing such that the center of gravity are 1 meter apart. Center to center distance is given to us, that is 1 meter. Calculate the force of gravitation and force of gravity on each. So first of all we have to calculate the force of gravitation. We know force of gravitation is calculated by the formula F equal to G m1 m2 upon r square. Value of the capital G, that is 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11. m1, that is 50 kg. m2, that is 50 kg. r is the distance between these two objects, that is 1 meter, so it is 1 square. So you will calculate it and you will get it is 1.67 into 10 raised to power minus 7 Newton. Now come to the B part. We have to calculate the force of gravity on each. Force of gravity is always calculated with respect to earth because they are standing on the earth. So again we apply the same formula F equal to G m1 m2. We can say mass of the earth is capital M and mass of any object, or you can say any person, is small m upon r square. So G is again, that is 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11. Mass of the earth, that is 6 into 10 raised to power 24 kg. Small m, mass of the person, that is 50 kg. And distance, of course the person is standing on the earth's surface. So we will take the distance from the center of the earth to the surface, that is the radius of the earth. And what is the radius of the earth? That is given to us 6400 kilometers. We will convert into the meter. It is 6400 into 10 raised to power 3 meters. So finally r square means it is 6400 into 10 raised to power 3 meter square. So again we will calculate and we will get it is 0.48 into 10 raised to power 3 Newton. Now one thing is interesting which you are supposed to know. If I say this force is F1, this force is F2, I hope it is visible to all of you. F1 is very less compared to F2 because F1 is coming the order of 10 raised to power minus 7 and F2 is coming 10 raised to power 3. So we will say the person will not move towards each other. So right answer of the problem is 1.67 into 10 raised to power minus 7 Newton and 0.48 into 10 raised to power 3 Newton.